Welcome back. Today we are talking about the experience of Ubuntu 26.04 LTS.
This version has not been officially released yet. It is based on GN50, and I think this system is the best generation of Linux. Then take a look at the update contents of Ubuntu 26.04. In addition to the application updates mentioned above, for the LTS version, Ubuntu 26.04 has upgraded from GNOME 46 to GNOME 50. More importantly, GNOME 50 supports automatically reopening applications after login. Also updated the document viewer, image viewer, and terminal emulator. Starting from Ubuntu 26.04, GNOME 5.0 and later versions can only use the Wayland session. If X11 mode is really necessary, then you can only use other desktops such as KDE, XFCE, Mate, etc. At the same time, this system automatically deleted the Software and Updates program because it was considered a dangerous application by Ubuntu. But it can be reinstalled through a command. This software updater can be used to easily change the software sources. There is also the newly added Security Center in Ubuntu, which currently has several settings options. Also performed battery optimization, improving the performance of Windows games. This system enhances the dual boot functionality. Provides support for video acceleration API. Nothing else needs to be said. That's it for this video. If you like it, you can subscribe to our channel, and if you want to chat, you can join our Discord server. See you in our next video.